TQLS 85 Combined Cleaner Installation Video. Main unit display. The main unit consists of two parts, the vibrating screen and the Destoner. Cyclone Display. A cyclone is available as an optional accessory to collect light impurities uniformly. Fan display. The equipment is equipped with an independent fan, providing even airflow and easy control of air volume. Next, we will assemble these components. Step 1. Install the fan. Do not rush during installation. Lower it slowly and align it with each screw hole on the flange to facilitate screw fixation. Step 2. Install the cyclone. As the component is relatively large, multiple personnel should collaborate. Once the fan and cyclone are properly connected, secure the screws. Final step. Tighten all screws on the assembled components securely and check for any omissions. This is the fully assembled TQLS 85 Combined Cleaning and Destoner.